This recipe is called Pomodori Ripieni, which means stuffed tomatoes. We need 5 beautiful heirloom tomatoes. Then we need 4 slices of day-old bread, 1 tablespoon of diced capers, and 2 tablespoons of diced onion. Then some salt, some black pepper, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and to finish it, some beautiful fresh basil. For this recipe, we start by opening the tomatoes from the top. Don't take out too much, just leaving a little bit of the top part because we're gonna use this later to close the tomato. And with the help of a small knife, you can cut the pulp like this. With a spoon, we take out the inside, all of it. Save all the seeds and all the pulp. Once we got all the inside out, we save the tomato on the side for later, the top as well, and we proceed with all the rest. Next, once we have all the inside of the tomatoes in the bowl, we can cut it a little bit. If you see that it is too big, you can just take with a knife and cut it into smaller pieces. Make sure they're pretty much all the same size. Next, we need to dice the bread that we are going to toast in the oven. For the bread, we are going to warm up cast iron in the oven for around 30 seconds at 190 degrees Celsius. And after around 30 seconds, we can go with some extra virgin olive oil, put the bread, and after 2 to 3 minutes, they are ready. And we are going to save these apart for later for the filling. Now for the sauce, some extra virgin olive oil, and we go with 2 tablespoons of onion. Let it cook a little bit. A couple of pinches of salt. Stir it, and we are going to let this cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5-6 minutes, it's ready, so we can take this inside and prepare the rest of the filling. We can start preparing the filling, so we put all the bread in tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of capers, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, some olive oil, and we mix everything together. And now you can take the tomatoes, put just a little bit of salt inside as well, not that much, so we make sure that even the tomatoes is nice and salty. Take the filling and we fill the tomato. We put a little bit of olive oil on top. And we are ready to go in the Ciao Bella Pizza Oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 360 Fahrenheit. And after around 10 to 15 minutes, the result is this one. Look how beautiful they are. These are the Pomodori Ripieni. Enjoy!